Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about finding and replacing content of PowerPoint presentation styles. So let's see finding and replacing option provided by PowerPoint. Finding and replacing options is used when we want to find some content from our PowerPoint presentation slides. For example, I want to search grooming text throughout my PowerPoint presentation slide. Currently, I don't know where this word is located. I want to replace this word with some other words. So, what you can do if finding and replacing option is not provided by PowerPoint? You will search this word from beginning of the slide and you will go throughout all the slide until you found this grooming word. So my grooming word is located at slide number 4 and first text. So this is the grooming text. Now this is very time consuming method to finding the word. So PowerPoint provides finding and replacing option. So to find the particular word you can use find option. To open the find option you can go to the home ribbon and in editing options, in which you will see find option. Once you click on the find option, one window will be open in which you have to enter the word which you want to find. I want to find grooming and press next. So grooming is found and automatically you will be redirected to that particular slide. Now I want to find orientation. So I am again redirected to first slide, which is orientation 2012. So this is about finding option. Now if you want to replace particular content in our slide with particular other word, then you can use replace option, and it is used when lots of same word are there in different slides and you want to replace all that word with one word, then you can use this replace option. For example, I want to replace my orientation with presentation. So first we have to find the orientation, replace with presentation, which is word to be replaced, and click on find next, and once word is found you can click on replace. So it is replaced with presentation 2012. You can use replace all option to replace the all occurrence of orientation with presentation. So this way you can use finding option, replacing feature and selecting object feature. So this is about finding and replacing in PowerPoint. Thank you.